Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Legacy Life Kitchen, where we take simple ingredients and turn it into something special. Today, we are making a recipe that is both nourishing and comforting, and that is plantain moi moi. It is warm, soft, slightly sweet, and savory all at once. The kind of dish that wraps you up in flavor and feels like home. So take a deep breath, grab your ripe or unripe plantain, and let's enjoy a little kitchen therapy together. For this recipe, you will need, whether it is ripe or your unripe plantain, some red bell peppers, scotch bonnet, onions for depth of aroma, crayfish, vegetable oil, salt, and seasoning. Please be generous with onions because it gives it a very good taste and smell. You can decide to add a tea or a tablespoon of flour or two to it, but it's optional. I'm not going to be adding that to mine. So I added in some fresh fish into it and some water just for it to be able to blend. So once I'm done with the blending, like you can see the blending, the next thing I'm going to do is to pour it into my bowl. Once I'm done pouring it or pouring into my clean bowl, the next thing I'm going to do is to mix it together. Once I'm done with the mixing, the next thing I'll do is to add in two seasoning cube. Guys, I'm using two seasoning cube based on the quantity of plantain that I added. I added some salt, my vegetable oil, and the star ingredient I'm going to be adding last is going to be my flaked mackerel fish. So once I have added the flake mackerel fish, the next thing I'm going to do is to turn everything together in a cycle gently. Yes, guys, you heard me, gently. So once I'm done doing that, I'm going to be making use of leaves. Yes, I'm using moi moi leaves. You can use small bowls that has lid, or you can use aluminum foil. Yes, that's also a very good option. Now that I'm done with prepping my moi moi leaf, I'm going to fold it and make it into a cup just like you see me do. And I'm going to start scooping my batter into it gently. So I'm going to make sure it is not too much in the leaf so that it doesn't spill. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going to add in a slice of egg just to top it up and then fold it together. Once it is ready, I'm going to place it in my pot. Guys, this is the stage where you subscribe if you have not done that. Kindly subscribe. This is Legacy Life Kitchen. We have over 400 videos on this channel and there are wonderful recipes that you can learn from. So kindly do that. So once I am done with the folding and everything is placed in my pot, I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for 40 minutes. Guys, 40 minutes. Let's allow it to cook properly. So once it is done cooking, the next thing you're going to do is to bring it out and enjoy your plantain moi moi. You have just made yourself a wonderful recipe. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to be trying this out. So I completed this other part of the video. I did it the next day because the power supply was very terrible in my area, and that's why the moi moi leaf is not as vibrant green as it should, but the taste still the same. So I enjoyed mine just like that, while my friend enjoyed ours with a bread. Thank you for watching this